How are we doing this fine morning? Let's go. Is everybody ready? Alrighty, let's get it. Just thinking. Alrighty, are we ready? Alright, are we ready, guys? Hit that like button. Let's get today absolutely popping off. Say what's up in the chat. Alrighty. Looking into it. Bum bum. Yeah, let's see. Today is the USD holiday and JPY holiday. So today we're looking at GBP controlling the narrative. So let's see. What is GBP gonna do? Hmm. Let's see what GBP is gonna do. How's it going, Iris? It's all going well. Iris, we're doing really well. See, gold is looking interesting. I'm actually considering gonna start trading gold again, guys. I'm slowly considering trading gold again. Let's see. Will we begin to trade gold again or what? Why did you have a break on gold recently? So, I actually stopped trading gold completely. I was trading only GJ and GU because that's where I make a lot of my money, so yeah. Let's see, gold. Gold's at 2K. Yeah, and also I prefer sticking to what we know best, guys. Like, you know, when you know the way a certain pair moves, it's better to stick to that particular pair. GJ, we're rejecting this resistance over here. 2010 to 2000. See that low? Let's go to the daily. Alright, so we're just marking out the market structures, slowly coming down. 4 hour time frame made a low which we've taken out, but this is the important one. This is the important low to take out, right? So once we take out those lows, we can look at potential sells from here, this area right here, which actually should be 1987, 500 up to 1990. Yeah. So if we want to sell, I will only look at it from down there. And this is the low I'm looking at potentially taking it, because this was the last big engulfing push, right? So that's why I will only look at that low. Let's see what happens. Lower time frames, I'm pretty sure it's just gonna be 2005. So we're gonna wait and watch what happens on these market structures. So you can see this is a very interesting and important market structure over here, which we're not gonna touch. We just gotta wait for these to play out. So that's what I'm gonna potentially wait for and see what happens. This is the previous high on GU, which is holding. So I guess I'm just gonna have to wait. I think this is the no trade range on GU. We need to take out this previous low over here. So GJ is now ranging. We need to see whether we can take out some minor structures or not. What's good, Ash? What's good, Tracy? How we doing? Interesting. Send in your charts, guys. Send in some good charts. Send in some nice charts. Come on, and hit that like button too. You can let me know which pair you want me to break down for you, and then we can look in it. Alright. Let's see. Nice. So we just gotta wait. Yesterday GU was actually a really good trade. Could have gotten into it, but we didn't. And it's alright. We still look at the market structures. Guys, say what's up in the chat. Hit that like button. And also, let me know which pairs you want us to look at. We're gonna look at some of the obvious pairs that we always do look at. like Euro USD, stuff like that, AUD USD maybe, depending on who wants it. And then we see what's good. So what we're seeing is we're seeing that there's a daily resistance that is up here. Let's find the level. Okay, it's all the way up there. This is just the zone. Here 500 and here 750. So that's the resistance level we have tapped into. Let's just draw a zone a little lower at 250. This could also be a zone of resistance you can see previously held. So let's see what happens here. So this was the previous swing low for a long time, and this is now the new previous high. So let's see as we slowly come down the time frames. Now until we take this low out, there's no real sells. So potentially you could look mostly for buys, in my personal opinion. I would potentially look mostly for buys, but first I need to take these highs down. Break the structure. What is it? Previous high. Okay, so this also could work. A break above this and retest of this 250 level to continue up. So let me just put it up there. It's pretty much 250 to 250. So this is the previous high on the hourly time frame. Previous low on the higher time frame. And since we've been bullish, right? I'm not willing to sell till we take out one of these lows and get below this level to sell. You can see, unless we get below that level, no sells. There could be a potential sell level from here, this 750 level, which let me just mark that. So when you look to the left, you need to always keep in mind what you're looking at. So if we do something like this and retrace, then I will be interested. But this is so far a no trade range. And we have our previous highs and previous lows. Very nice. Very, very nice. EU is looking good. I like that analysis. Oh. Closed GJ by mistake. Pound yen. Beautiful. It's going up. It's kind of my estimation from this morning. I had a feeling we're gonna go up. But let's see what happens. On the daily time frame, it's still looking very bullish. So let's see. This is the first break of market structure. Could potentially see what happens. Since we took out this high, now minor time frame we're bullish and higher time frame we're bullish. So let's see. Okay, you want me to explain flash service PMI? Guys, for any fundamental news, okay, the best thing to do is click on this folder. It'll explain it to you right over here. Can you see? What is it? Why traders care? Right? Derived here. So if you just go to Forex Factory, it gives you everything. Okay. US 30 and NAS 100. Let's see. Okay, secondly, gold is within this range. We need to identify where we want to trade gold, because I don't think I would want to trade it within that. If I was a buyer on gold, I would have bought down here. Right? I would have looked for potential entries, look for the signs, probably bought from here to continue up. Be at break even now, but would be expecting to continue taking out the highs. So let's see. US 30. And US 30 and NAS 100, two very interesting pairs. We're up 2000 odd pips, 2500 pips for the month on NAS 100. After we took this high out, it was so simple. Took the high out, did a retracement, came to demand zone, right? Let's just go higher time frame. Here you go. Can you see this area? Firstly, it's not only just a key psychological level, but it's an area of buying pressure. You can see all the way. What did we do? Took out the high, created a new ILO, continued up. That's just how it is. What did we do over here? This candle took out these highs, retraced to the demand zone, you can see, and continued up. Plain and simple. So even like that's why like I've been considering even coming back to gold, because as long as you have your market structure intact, it should be good. As long as you have market structure intact, it should be good. Wait a second. Let's keep going. That's just how we doing. What's good, Michael? How we doing? Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Let's see NAS 100. Just gradually moving up the same way. Entirety of November. 1900 odd pips. See. So today the US session is closed and the JPY Asian session was closed. So I guess we're just taking it easy today. I guess we're just chilling. Let's see if GBP can command. Market opens at 12 in 12 minutes, yeah. Mm. Let's see GJ pulling back to the high. Will we take the highs out or what? There's a previous high up there too. So we need to see how this market structure forms out. Let's see. Guys, let me know in the chat what trades you guys are in. Let me know what trades you guys are in so that we can look at it. We can break the chart down, look at it, see what's to be cautious about. Whether we can look at any further entries. Let me know. I'm in AU buys. That's what we were talking about yesterday, AUD buys. Beautiful. Look at that. I think Tracy was the one that asked yesterday about AUD. And I was like, whatever happens, do not sell AUD. Here we've tapped back into the resistance. Continuation. So right now, this is the previous high. After we take this high out, you could expect a slight retrace over here. Or you could expect a break and retest over here. So yeah, you could wait for these highs to get broken. So one is a lower time frame high. One is a higher time frame high. Right? So you could look at one of these highs breaking in order for you to get the trade you're looking at. So let's see. The daily time frame is looking good. Took out one previous high. This is a very strong resistance area which we need to be cautious of. On AUD USD. Let me see, can I make this caution area a little smaller? Yeah, we can. Bring it to key level right over here. There you go. This is zone. So be careful. Even though, let me just put that. Even though that previous high is over there, I would say don't buy yet. You need a break above this range over here to look for continuation. And this will be the previous low. So actually be careful. Very interesting. So there you go. That's my analysis on AUD USD. And remember, below this previous low, you have good potential sells over here. Let's put it there. So there you go. That's my no trade range. So that would be my AUD USD analysis, right? No problem at all, Will. It's just what I do. I just like to keep it in mind. I like to just look at the technical analysis and keep it in mind. I hope it helps you guys. If it is helping you guys, hit that like button for me. That helps a lot. Let me know. Anyone else in any other trades so we can look at it. Michael says waiting to see if GJ price gets rejected at 186,780 for possible sells. Yeah, same thing on GJ. So we're at this important key rejection area, right? For me, I'm waiting for a shift in market structure on GJ. Right, just to make it simpler, let me remove most of these lines. So if you look at GJ, the market structure has been pretty bullish, right? Of course, because we've been moving up pretty rapidly from here, which we call out the buyers all the way from down there. So we've come up rapidly, but what has happened is we've created a low here. Depending on how the price closes, okay, so you can see the range that we're in. We need to either break the high of the range, right, to continue up, or we have to take out these lows in order to continue down, which is what I will be potentially waiting for. So to look at it on the other side, GJ is pretty bullish on the daily and everything, right? So I want to kind of move with that momentum and see where we can get best. So I'm going to look potentially, let me see. Just seeing how best can I get into a buy position also. Considering that this was a previous high, right? So let's just say that. And that also has happened. So yes, there's a potential to buy, but I will need a retest and a good solid rejection to continue up. Or I needed to take out these highs in retest 187, turn it into a support to continue up. So yeah, I hope that helps, guys. Hit that like button. Again, let me know what pairs you guys want me to break down. If you're in a particular trade right now, if you're looking at a particular trade, let me know. That way we can analyze the charts together and see how best you can make your money on that particular trade. So let me know, okay? So that's what we're looking for. Gold also looks pretty decent, but gold hasn't taken out the major low that I wanted to take out. So we're gonna wait on it. We're gonna wait on it. So what's the objective for the day, guys? Let me know. There's 16 of us in this live stream. Hit that like button. Come on, guys. Say what's up. Join our Discord and Telegram. Send in some charts. Oh, this is London Open. Let's see. Very awkward way Geo's coming up. Awkward. Let's see. GJ is coming up pretty nice. Alrighty. Let's see. How many people looking to take trades on gold today? How many people looking to take trades on gold today? Let's see. Okay. Boom G was good. Let's see. So GJ is stamped into 186,750. Let's see, will we continue up or will we go down? Look at this. Daily candle also. Tricky situation we have here. Let's see what happens. Alrighty, looking. Let's see. Can we get anything today? Let's just look at our positions. Can we look at shorts on GU? Let's just check that CFTC report one more time just to see what would our stance be on. Okay, let's just check it out so we can just see where we are on this board. Okay, let's check it out. The British pound. So the intermediaries, there are more people long, but the asset managers and institutions, there are more people short. So I would say that I could potentially be short on GJ and GU. Let's see. So when you look at it, the commitment of traders, guys, you'll need to know how to use it. How to see who's doing what. So it shows you clearly over here. It shows you basically what the institutional traders are doing. So it basically shows you their positions, right? So it shows you their combined positions. So over here you can see on the pound, right? How many people are in shorts? Asset managers and institutional. You know what that means, right? Asset managers and institutional, like hedge funds, etc. 103,000 positions with 36 different traders behind it. So that's really good. We have leverage funds also. It's pretty much even. Other reportables, that's kinda more on the short side. And non-reportable positions, again more on the short side. And so just look at, so you can look at it and see how it works. Give me a second, Abhinav. Alright, that's a good rejection. Look at that beautiful rejection on GJ from the upside. That's looking interesting. Very interesting. Come on, guys. Who's interested in some GJ shorts? Who's interested in some GJ shorts? Let's see. Also, so JPY longs. Lot of people in JPY longs. And it's kind of evenly distributed on the, you can see here, in the asset managers and institutionals. A lot more people in leverage funds on JPY shorts. A lot of other reportables in longs. Very interesting. Very interesting. Let's see. This is looking good. It's all a matter of how the market structure sets up. So look at that. Very interesting. Big rejection. We need to wait for price action to show us something clear. I think it will go higher. That's what I personally think. That's what I personally think. Because until we change the bullish market structure, I'm not looking to touch the sell button. So we're just gonna wait. Let's just wait, guys. Let's just wait. Yeah, just be careful. So you guys can feel free to hit that like button, of course, but also feel free to send in charts where we can look at it. Let us know what positions you guys are in, so we can analyze those charts. You know, that'll be fun. Let us know what positions you guys are in so we can analyze those charts. If you want to send in, if you want to send in some requests to analyze certain pairs, feel free to do so. Can you share the CFTC report link? Here you go. Just go to cftc.gov, government, gov, right? So there you go. I've put it in the chat. Just use that. Okay, virtual city. We did a really good analysis on, a really good breakdown on Euro USD right over here, where you can see everything that we're looking for on Euro USD. You can see all the key levels, previous highs and previous lows, what we always look at in order to, take potential setups. Alrighty. GJ. Let's see how GJ rejects that area or not. Because remember, we haven't got a shift in market structure yet on GJ or GU, whatever. So GU, we had this bit of a spike down over here, which took out this previous 4-hour low. But we need to see what's gonna happen in this area. So that is pretty much here in this area. When we tap this area, yeah. Then we will have an idea of what we wanna do. Bum, 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 Alright, let me know, guys. Let me know. What is the one thing that will help you improve your trading catastrophically? Which will boost your trading? Yeah. What's the one thing that will help you boost your trading? Capital, alright. Which you should already be doing with all the prop firms that are out there. So many prop firms out there. And even if you don't want to do it with the prop firms, there's even Darwin Pro which will help you with it. So yeah. I hope you guys are utilizing all the opportunities, because guess what, guys? Utilize it as much as possible before it's too late. We don't know when, of course, we are the small fish in the ocean, right? We don't know when when they will start targeting the small fish, right? Because when the small fish start making too much of money, it's not good for the big fish. So that's why you never know. So utilize every single opportunity. You can go to DCFX website. You can, guys, on most of the prop firms, I've got you all a discount code DCFX, right? All caps. Use it, buy the challenges for cheaper, but make use of the time where challenges and prop firms and everything are still around. That's what I think is something we should keep in mind, right? That's what will enable us to really boost it, because I know a lot of people who started with prop firm and they move to bigger accounts. You get a really, really good payout. You focus, you keep one goal and one plan in mind, and so many things can change. So feel free, send in your charts. Let's see what you guys are looking at. So let's see, GJ is going up. That's good. Can GJ take out the highs and retest? Remember, GJ is bullish, right? We're about to flip this candle, take out the previous day high. So we stick to the trend. We're not gonna change it. Until we get a shift in market structure, there's no reason to change it. Hit that like button. So let's see how price is gonna react. So what do you guys do in order to prepare for the week? Let's do that. Or how do you guys prepare your chart? Let me know. How do you guys prepare your charts? What's your daily routine and schedule, right? I mean, EU sells, but I don't know if it's a mistake or not. Could you confirm? Virtual City. EU sells. Okay, so the first question is, when you look at the candles, okay, let me remove my chart. Is EU showing any form of bearish market structure? So look at the market structure. No, right? So EU is not yet in a bearish market structure. So we've made higher lows. This is the new higher low. So now ask yourself the next question, okay? Let's go down to the lower time frame to see if there's a market structure shift. Do we have any significant lows being taken out? So clearly over here we see that this low is the most significant low, right? So looking at it, I personally do not have any signs other than lower time frame market structure that is here, right? These bearish moves, which is potentials to go down, but the higher time frame is not showing me any sells. You know, once we break this low and retest to continue down, then yeah, perhaps. But so far I don't see any bearish market structure yet. So that's why, and maybe if you're trading on the lower time frames, maybe then you will see bearish market structure. But I like to follow the higher time frames, so that's why I don't see sells yet. So that's why I personally will follow what the higher time frame market structure is, and I will look at the lower time frame when they reach the higher time frame levels. You see? So once we either break this previous high or this previous low, then I will start looking at lower time frame. Because then it'll make sense to look at the lower time frame. Right? Because the higher time frame is already doing its thing. So that's why I always tell you guys to be careful. Look for market structure. Like, I know that you know, here and there you could look for good trades, but it all depends on how does the market show itself, right? The market is not here to just give you the quick thumbs up, we're going up, so let's all buy. No, the market is here to manipulate people out of it, right? The market is here where people are quoting. If I say like I can sell you an iPhone for $500, you're gonna say okay, it's used, I'm gonna pay $400. So there's always quotes in the middle of it, and that's where the lower time frame gets a lot more messy, right? There's a lot more movement and everything. So there's a lot more people pushing price up, down. You have liquidity grabs where with, like over here you have these wicks. You first took out this low and then moved up, right? So over here when I bought GJ, it was a lot more satisfying to buy GJ up here than to buy GJ down here, because over here we broke this previous high. It was a minor structure change. This was the major structure change, minor structure change, where I could risk a little bit, and then when we came up here I could risk even more. So that's what I'm saying, guys, put your minds to it. Understand, like, am I putting myself in the best possible position over here? So right over here we see that the daily time frame has flipped. We went up and made a wick. We failed to break the previous high, but as long as we're above this level, the daily time frame will be bullish, which we want to put ourselves in the best position possible. So we're going to wait till we see market structure. This is a range. When we break out of the range, we will see whether the market structure is complementing itself right? So complementing would be the higher time frame is bullish and the lower time frame is breaking out of a consolidation bullish, right? Or if the higher time frame is bullish and we're breaking out of the lower time frame bearish, right? So if we're going bullish and bullish, then it's 2% risk. If we're going bearish and bullish, then it's 1% or even half a percent risk. Alright guys, hit that like button, say what's up. Such a good explanation. Good morning DC. Yo Delta, what's good? Thank you man. It's good to see you. It's good to see you in the chat. It's just we need to help the community achieve their strongest psychology. And by putting yourself in the best possible position, you will achieve the strongest psychology. You know, because you know why you've taken it, you know, so that's why. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. How's everyone's trading going? Any other positions people are in? Any other positions? Look at this. Okay, so now EU has even taken out the previous hourly highs. So now when you look at EU, what you can say is, there you go. So now when you look at EU, what you can say is that the higher time frame is bullish and now the lower time frame is coming into alignment of being bullish too. Right, it's shifting, so we could potentially look at buys here and there on EU too. So let's just wait. This is gonna give us something amazing. Something amazing. Just USD CAD short from yesterday. Amazing. Let's see USD CAD. And let's check our CFTC report for CAD short, right? So most of the institutional traders are short on USD, on Canadian dollar. Most of the dealers and intermediaries are long on Canadian dollar. Okay, long on Canadian dollar, long and kind of long on Canadian dollar. Interesting. Change increased. Okay, so you've been short on USD CAD from yesterday. That's good. You've put yourself in a good position. We can see the market structure slowly shifting over here. Let's just go one step higher. Man, USD CAD's gonna be a banger short if we take this lower. If we take this lower, USD CAD's gonna drop through the floor. Right over here. And you can see exactly why. The market structure shifts right there. So you can see till here we're making lower highs, but not lower lows. When we break this, we will have the perfect combination between lower highs and lower lows. So let's go. Cheering you on in your trade, Delta. Let's go. It's a really good seller's level. I'm just gonna mark this entire 50 pip range. Just because we know that this entire area is a sell zone. So you can see this is a vital level we're at. Extremely vital. Once we break this low, man, you're gonna look at a nice big impulse move after that. So looking at it, let's see on the weekly time frame. We moved up from here, so this was the move right here. I would say if we break that low, you have potential to come down to here. Let's go. Let's see. Let's go to the daily time frame and see. So look at this. This is the zone you could look at potentially coming down to, because this is the previous weekly low which we potentially wouldn't want to break, right, on the weekly time frame if we're going to continue our bullish. But since we're breaking the minor structures, we have potential to continue down. So yeah. So I like your position, Delta, because when you look at this structure took out these lows. We could have retested, taken a good position in. So yeah. US bank holidays today, only trading higher time frames due to work commitments. That's amazing. That's amazing. You found a way to balance your life between work and trading. That's you adjusted your trading towards higher time frame trading, which is amazing. That's exactly what most people should do. If you can't afford to drop, everything and just pursue trading alone, figure a way how to add it to your schedule, how to add it to your routine. Right? There are 24 hours in a day. So figure a way to add it, and when you do that, you will develop a certain skill, a mindset, and that can potentially lead, when your skill is so valuable that you're able to make a lot of money from just swinging, then slowly one day you can leave your job and continue just trading. But remember, everything in life is a transition, right? No one just ends up being the boss one day, you know? If you one day just get up and decide to be the boss, you're the boss of nothing, right? So that's why when you look at trading, when you look at making it a actual full-time source of income, you're waiting to transition, not to just jump to it. Until we break this previous low, there's no reason to look for sales. So the minute we do take out that previous low, then we can look for sales because the market structure is shifting. Many people don't understand market structure, guys, and you can only learn proper market structure if you play with the higher time frames. Remember, higher time frames are the key time frames to understanding what price is actually doing, where price is actually going. You know, there's no point in looking for long-term trades. Like, many people want to target 100 pips, but there's no point in trying to target 100 pips if you're not willing to look at where the direction could push in 100 pips. The direction will only push in 100 pips in where the market structure is leading to. Right? It can't just push the opposite way 100 pips for no reason. So that's why look carefully, look cautiously, understand. If you need help, ask. You know, if you want to send in charts, send in charts. We can look into it. GJ. Very interesting. Big wicks. But I don't like that. Even though that looks interesting, but I don't want to take a trade before it's ready. So we're just gonna wait. Let's see. Man, I think today is just gonna be a slow day, guys. Because we're looking at it, we have JPY holiday and we have USD holiday. So we finished most of the Euro news. What actually happened? Did we get some big movement or what? Okay, we just got one spike. That's about 25 pips. Big on Euro USD, nothing. Nothing, let's see. It's gonna happen. Alrighty, guys. Let's see. I might call it a session right over here. Looking at it, good setups, but I don't think it's gonna come now. And plus, today no New York session, so let's just have a fun day, right? Feel free to join us on Discord, Telegram, Instagram, whatever. Let me know what I can give you guys best. Let me know how we can help you guys best, and we can always move forward. Where am I from? I'm from India, mate. Virtual city. There you go, Streamlabs answers it for you. Before I used to get that question a lot. Where you from? Where you from? Guys, hit that like button. I'll let you know where I'm from, yeah? Where are you? Let's see. Everyone who's on the stream, just put which country you're from, what do you trade in. Let's get to know the community before we sign on. Let's just see where everyone is from. Put it down in the chat. Let's see. Johan from Malaysia. Amazing. Let's see. Come on, guys. Let's get some interaction in the chat. Hit the like button and comment. From Australia, Africa. Amazing. Given you're from Australia, that's amazing. I know you would have told me this before, but yeah, you know me. Let me know. Come on, more guys. There's so many people watching. Come on. Let us know where you guys from. Alright, GJ is looking interesting. Looks like it wants to go down, but on the higher time frame we're still bullish, so we're gonna wait for a market structure shift, then look into potential changes, change in bias. So let's see. Guys who are just joining in, let us know which country you all are from. Let us know what you all trade. Put it in the chat. Good vibes only. Interesting. GJ slowly rejecting. Just be patient and wait, guys. Be patient and wait. Let's see whether we can take out these lows and then look for a potential turn. Darwin X. What was it? Darwin. Yeah. This is like the next level of performance. This is something that you guys should read up and look at. If you have a good track record, there are different investors. So this is a platform for like venture capitalists. So they could look at whether you're consistent and your returns are good and invest into you. So that's very interesting. Let's see. Anyone taking any trades right now, or is everyone just sitting out since it's a holiday? Tell me. Okay, the hourly candle just closed. We need market structure to again shift. Let's go, Gibbon. Yeah. We could wait for something like this. On GU also. As long as it takes out these lows really nicely. Could see something good happening. Okay, okay, I was in a trade, 36 ticks on Nasdaq, now TP, I trade futures. Beautiful. Let's go. Thank you for joining us. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Nasdaq, that's amazing. I personally don't trade indices, but we were looking at Nas this morning. Wow. Big spikes, eh? What is this? Yesterday's spike? Very nice. The market structure is simple. It's just bullish on Nas and US 30 and everything. Look at this. Simple. But it's good. Keep crushing it, guys. Keep crushing it. Keep going. I trade 2 accounts at Top Step. Amazing. Top Step, I've heard of that. Top Step Trader. Interesting. I'm guessing this is more for futures and options, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, okay, future, of course. Amazing. Yep, so you can do the same thing. You can get prop firms and big size accounts in Forex too. If you look at the Forex prop firms, you can get some really big size accounts. Yeah. So you can always do that in a Forex based prop firm also. You can get almost up to 400,000 and some prop firms even $1 million in funding. So yeah, should take a look at them. But anyway, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place, over here. Until then, take it easy. Don't need to over risk or overtrade. It's a USC bank holiday. Take the day off. Go spend some of that hard-earned money. I will see you guys tomorrow. But don't forget to hit that like button. If you're not subscribed already, please do subscribe. Take it easy.